Hey Artland, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw Roscuro from The Tale of Despero. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just goes down like this. And then you want to make a little line that just kind of curves like this around for the eye. Then I'm going to add a little circle in here. I'm just going to color the rest of this in. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves up and it's going to come down for the top of his head. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves up. It's going to go down. Just going to kind of curve around like this for his nose. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that just curves around for his end of his nose. And then right here for his ear, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves around. Make a little line that goes in and out, and it's going to curve back down. And then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line, and I'm going to do that same thing just to make like a little earring. Then I'm just going to bring this back up, and then add a little line in here. Then right here, I'm going to add a couple little kind of pointy lines for the side of his face. And then a little line down here for his neck. Now, starting right here, you want to make a line that goes over. It's going to go down and then up like this for his shirt. And then bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line right over here. And then I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves down for the collar of his shirt. Then you can just take this line all the way down, make it go down like this, and then bring it up. Then right here, I'm going to make this line kind of come down. Then I'm just going to curve this down to here. I'm going to make a couple little kind of bumpy lines so it looks like it's kind of tattered. And then a little line down. Then I'm going to make a curved line here for his arm. A line that goes out, and another one that goes down. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. You want to curve it around and down for his hand. Then we're just going to bring it back around here. We'll put a little zigzag line here, and then we'll add an extra little kind of finger right there. Then I'm going to make a little line down. I'm just going to connect this to here. Now for this arm, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes out and then up a little bit. Then it's going to come down. It's going to curve around and then come back like this. And this will be like his fingers and his thumb. Then we'll just make a little line that goes down and comes back. And then we'll add a little curved line here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up. And I'm going to do this a few more times. And then I'm going to make them kind of smaller and then bring them up to here. Then I'm going to draw a big circle right here. And then you just want to take this line all the way down to it. And then I'm going to add a couple little extra lines around it. And then I'm just going to put kind of like a little broken circle inside of it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of has a couple little bumps like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here just to make it look like he's got some wrinkly pants. Then I'm going to draw 2 little lines down and 2 little lines down. Then he's got long skinny feet, so I'm going to draw a line that curves up and then comes back. Another one that kind of curves up and then comes back here. Then I'm going to add a little line here and then a little line here. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Then starting here, we want to make the tail, so we're just going to make a line that just kind of curves around like this, kind of like a little hook shape. You want it to be nice and skinny when it's far away, and then as it gets closer to the body, you can make it bigger. Then we want him to hold a spoon. So I'm going to make a little line that curves down here, and then a little line that curves down here. Make it a little skinnier as you bring it down. I want to make a big line that just kind of curves around here. And then right side of here, I'm going to draw a real skinny oval shape. And I want it to be a lot closer over here. See, it's a lot skinnier here than here. Then I'm just going to add some little whiskers around his face. And you can even put a couple up here too. Then I'm going to add a couple little lines onto his vest. And there you go. There is your drawing of Roscuro from The Tale of Despero. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.